The 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class is a superb premium compact crossover with a high-quality cabin, plenty of standard equipment and tempting options, along with a ride quality and driving experience that's wholly fitting for a luxury marque. That opening sentence might sound as though it were written by Mercedes-Benz's advertising agency, but most people who've driven it reach the same conclusion. The GLC does everything it needs to do right, and nothing wrong, carrying out its duties with style and without effort. There's also a coupe variant, which is reviewed separately. To underline the distinction, Mercedes-Benz calls this regular version the GLC SUV. What's new for 2018? The range expands to include a hot 2018 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63 version, but that doesn't arrive until early 2018. There's also been some rearranging and renaming of options bundles. A heated windshield wiper system is now standard across the board. So is the formerly optional storage package, which includes rear seat release switches in the cargo area. Smartphone integration becomes available, while AMG versions are eligible for a sport exhaust system and a new track pace app.